Welcome back to another West Country Tech video. In this video we'll be taking a look at a farm site in North Devon owned by Jack.
Hi, I'm Jack Elliott from Huntrell Farm at Little Torrington. I'm a 5th generation farmer milking 470 Holstein cows. I heard about West Country Tech through a friend who's also a dairy farmer. He spoke very highly of the cameras, so I made contact. I wanted to install some cameras for several different reasons. Security was obviously quite high up on the list. There's been more thefts in the area recently with different machinery going missing. So that was also a benefit to having them. Also from a staff point of view, I think it's nice for us and for them. It helps us monitor the cows as well. We've got them in the calving pen. That's been a great addition for us.
For security, we installed many bullet cameras around the site, covering both yards and entrances. For livestock monitoring as well as health and safety, we installed 2 PTZ cameras, one in each cattle shed, and a turret camera in the milking parlour.
Helping us monitor the cows has been a big one. It's there's a couple of times we've had some issues where we're not quite sure what's happened to a cow. We've been able to look back on the cameras, and it's been really interesting to see how generally it's just a bit of bad luck. A cow might have knocked herself or done something silly. But it's just nice that you can actually say, well, this is what's happened to her, and you haven't got to think, do we need to make changes or do other stuff with our farming practices. The camera in the parlour has been a nice addition. It's really good for the staff and for myself. There has been some times that we've had some issues, and camera doesn't lie, so it's nice that you can refer back to that. It's got obviously 24-hour recording, so you can always look back and see different times. From a training point of view, again, it allows you to say, that's not working, so right, let's redo some training, let's change the routine, let's change how we do stuff, let's change how we load cows, change our behaviour as a group, and then we can move forward and try and make the operation better in the parlour, and then we can make beneficial changes for everyone. I think the main benefits are just being able to see lots of different angles of the farm working and operating at one time from my office, and again trying to when you're trying to make efficiencies and see how we can make improvements. It's nice when you can have a good view of everything that's going on at one time. What's nice about the cameras is that you sort of forget they're there and you don't need to use them for several months, and then all of a sudden something comes up that you need to refer back. Even to the point the other day where a contractor, the login for his tractor didn't work, so he just rang up and goes, can you just look on the camera, see what time we started chopping straw, what time we finished, and you just go straight back on there and look at it. So it's you don't use them, and then all of a sudden they become really valuable.